Hello everyone, today we'll learn how to use the Hugging Face large language models in n8n to create cool AI workflows. Let's get started. First, open n8n in your browser, and if you don't have it, sign up at n8n.io. Once you're in, click Add a Workflow to start a new project. Now add a node, search for Hugging Face inference model, and drag it into your canvas. This node lets you use Hugging Face's AI models. You'll need an API key from huggingface.co, so sign up there, go to your platform, and create a new API token. Back in n8n, click the node, select credentials, and add your Hugging Face API key. Then choose a model like Mistral 7B, set the action to generate text, and type a prompt like write a short poem. Next, connect a trigger node like manual trigger to start the workflow. Click execute workflow to test it, and you'll see the AI's response like a poem right on the screen. To make it more fun, add a node like Slack to send the AI's output to a channel. Just set up Slack credentials and map the Hugging Face output to the message field. That's it, guys. You've just used a Hugging Face model in n8n. Save your workflow and try different prompts or models to build awesome automations. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more AI tutorials, and I'll see you next time.